Place the coins in a glass of water, and in 24 hours, you will receive unexpected money. If you need money to pay debts or buy something urgently, today I will teach you how to attract wealth with an essential kitchen ingredient that can help you obtain liquidity to pay debts and live comfortably. Sugar has the same vibrational frequency as prosperity and abundance, making it a powerful ingredient to increase your income at home. It is an excellent purifier of negative energies, helping you achieve economic abundance. If you want to learn how to do this, stay and watch this video. Before continuing, I remind you that if you are new to our channel, you can subscribe for free and activate the notification bell because I upload videos every day that will be very helpful to you. Performing an energy cleanse with this culinary ingredient is very effective in attracting success and fortune into your life. Many shaman experts assure that this ingredient helps maintain an environment free of low frequencies that could hinder your money from circulating and reaching you by the end of the month. Without further ado, take note of how this method is done. You need 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 coins of any value, an incense stick, 2 glass cups. We will begin the technique by lighting the incense. Since ancient times, incense has been used as a symbol of purification, capable of driving away the bad and attracting the positive, as well as purifying the atmosphere. Next, add tap water to your glasses, filling them halfway. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to each glass. Take 2 coins and add them to one of your glasses, and the other 2 coins to the second glass. Begin to stir the water in one of your glasses while repeating the following decree. I accept the abundance and wealth that the universe sends me. I am one with the divine source of all provision. I vibrate and feel at the same frequency as money. Then, stir the water in your second glass and repeat this decree. I accept and decree that prosperity and abundance will come to me unexpectedly, and I will accept them with love and joy. I am a magnet that attracts all the good things in life, especially money, prosperity, and abundance. I deserve abundance, I deserve success, and I deserve to live with dignity. We can all live prosperously. It is done. When the incense burns out, take the glasses to a corner of your house and leave them there for 24 hours to purify the environment. After this time, take out the glasses and throw the water and the coins into the patio. You can now use the coins to buy what you want. Repeat this method next month to ensure you don't run out of money. Have you noticed how insects like ants and bees are attracted to sugar? A similar effect is caused by the vibration of money when using coins with sugar, which is why it is highly recommended in techniques for prosperity and abundance. If you believe you can achieve your goals and want extra help from the universe, perform this with faith, and you will see positive things come to you. If you liked the video, write in the comments, I accept the money the universe sends me, and it accepts me. I hope this information is very helpful to you, and share it with your friends who need it. Thank you for your support, and I hope you are very well. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.